Good morning, this is Gino Izzi with a quick weather briefing discussing the winter storm expected to impact the area today into this evening. It's 4:30 a.m. on Tuesday, March 5th, and here's the latest thinking. We're looking for snow to overspread the area from the west this morning. There could be a period of some sleet or rain mixed in across portions of east central Illinois and northwest Indiana, but that should be relatively short-lived with a transition to all snow across the area by afternoon. The heaviest snow is likely to occur this afternoon with rates around 1 inch per hour possible with the most intense snow at times. Generally speaking, we're looking for widespread accumulations of 4 to 8 inches, though it's not out of the question there could be some localized totals approaching 10 inches. Increasing winds are expected this evening, which will result in blowing and drifting snow in open areas. So this is a forecast radar imagery from the University of Illinois WRF model showing what we're expecting the snow, the leading edge of the snow, to be moving into north central Illinois, roughly around, or northwest Illinois, about 6 a.m. this morning. By 9 a.m. the snow will be rapidly approaching the Chicago metropolitan area. By noon, snow will be falling across much of northern Illinois, with the darker green indicative of areas of moderate to locally heavy snow. 3 p.m. the moderate to locally heavy snow continues across much of northern Illinois and northwest Indiana. And then by 6 p.m. the band will continue to produce pretty good snowfall rates across much of the region, with potential for a more localized heavier band. Currently looks like that might set up just south of Chicago, but somewhere across northern Illinois could pick up some heavier snow. By 9 p.m. the system is pulling off to the east. The snow is rapidly diminishing in intensity. You do see some lighter returns coming in off the lake across northeast Illinois and southeast Wisconsin. There is a potential for some lake effect snow showers lingering into this evening, which might boost totals up just a bit. So here's the latest forecast snowfall graphic for across the region. The lighter pink colors where we expect snowfall totals in the 4 to 6 inch range, and that includes the far northern suburbs of Chicago. So areas that have been hit by the hardest by the last couple of storms actually look like they'll probably get the least amount of snow from this storm. The majority of the region looks like it'll end up in the 4 to 8 to 6 to 8 inch range from like a northwest to southeast swath from Rockford and Dixon, southeast towards Rensselaer, Paxton, and the southern Chicago suburbs. It is possible that there could be a band of totals in the 8 to 10 inch range somewhere within that region, but it really is kind of hard to pin down, and we think the amounts in excess of 8 inches will be more the exception than the rule. Currently there's winter storm warnings extending from eastern North Dakota, Minnesota, southeastward across the Midwest, including all of northern Illinois into northwest Indiana, and southeast into Ohio. There are winter weather advisories across central Illinois where snowfall amounts are expected to be much lighter. So wrapping it up, we do expect the snow to overspread the region this morning and then continue into this evening, with the heaviest snow expected this afternoon. We expect the afternoon rush hour to be adversely impacted, with total snow accumulations of 4 to 8 inches expected, with isolated 10-inch totals possible. Some blowing and drifting is expected in open areas this evening as the northeast winds pick up to about 15 to 25 miles per hour. So that's been the latest on the winter storm forecast impact the region today. For more information, you can check us out on our website at weather.gov/Chicago, and we are also available on Facebook. Thanks for checking in with us this morning.